So here's part 2 of these cute little minis. As I said, I was going to have a bit of fun with this one here. So it's dry underneath, and now I'm going to do the pad and the kind of bits of the lion paw that hit the ground. So there they are, but I'm also going to go around the outside of this shape. There we go. And then just fill those in. So you've got kind of, in effect, a 3D sort of cookie here. 3D design. So if you do want to put sprinkles on, it needs to be on wet icing, when the icing is wet. But of course, you can use the icing bags like glue and stick sprinkles on. And use, there we go, I wonder if we can kind of do that a little bit. Oh, that's great. Love that. So there's our little paw print. This paw print, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to kind of do the reverse really. So here is the pad, and then I'm going to do the paw print. Let's get some big scary kind of bits of the claw coming out here. There we go. Let me know which you prefer. Oh, I think I might prefer this one. I did say on this one I was going to do some little bits of pollen for the flower. So here they are. Do the centre here, and you could just have a lot of fun, and it's just knowing when to stop really. I always find that hard. There we go. And I said my googly eyed frog, let's have a look. Do some big eyes here. Oh, there they go. And let's plop a little sprinkle in. Okay, and I think for the mouth I might actually go with orange again. Oh, he's very friendly. For my little lion face, little Simba, I'm going to do some sort of, it's sticking up here. I think I need to do the sort of muzzle a bit. And I feel like I need to do some whiskers coming out as well. So let's do that. But you can add as much detail as you want. You could do sort of, you know, bits coming out here if you want, all the way around. But hopefully you're going to end up with a super cute set of biscuits. I enjoy seeing what you have made with your set. Have fun.